In this video, I'll show you how to create a sidebar menu using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This menu design can be used in a variety of contexts and applications, like as admin panels, project management tools, e-commerce platforms. Let's get started. I create a folder called Sidebar Menu for our project and drag it to VS Code. Within this folder, I create two files, index.html and style.css. In the index.html file, type exclamation mark and press tab. As you see, we have icons and fonts in this project. So I'll add fonts and icons link. In the browser, search Google Fonts and click on Google Fonts. Click on Fonts, type Poppins in the search box, scroll down, and select regular 400 and click on Get Font button. Click on Get Embed Code. Make sure you are on Web tab and link. Copy these links and paste within head tag. Now I wanted to add Google Icons link. So in Google Fonts, click on Icons, press Filters button, check Fill, and select Rounded as a style. Then select Home icon and from Static Icon font, copy link and paste it in our HTML file. If at the end of this link there is icon's name, make sure to delete it. In the navigation section, there are two parts, top and bottom. So I create a nav semantic element and two div tags with menu top and menu bottom classes. The menu top includes header and unordered list. So I create a div with menu header class and UL tag. The menu header includes a menu icon and a logo placeholder. So I go to Google Fonts site, press icon, and make sure fill section be checked. Also select rounded for style. Then type menu in search box, select menu icon, and copy this code to insert in HTML file. I open index.html file by live server. Now we can see the menu icon. I add logo text. Now I will create list for menu item. In li tag, I put a tag to define a link. Insert hash in href attribute. First item is home. So I type home in a span tag. Also, we have an icon for home. So I go to Google Fonts site and search home, select home icon, copy the icon code and insert in the HTML file. I duplicate this list for 3 times. Search dashboard, select the icon, and copy the icon name, then change the icon name in HTML file. I repeat this for other icons. Notification, select icon, copy name, and paste in our HTML file. Search account, select icon, copy name, and paste it. Now I wanted to create an unordered list for menu button. So I create an UL tag within menu button div. Then copy a list and paste it into UL tag. Duplicate it again. And set icons for them. Setting, select icon, copy icon's name, and paste here. Search logout, copy select icon, and copy the icon name and paste it here. Also change the list item's name. Dashboard, notification, account, setting, and logout. Let's move on to the CSS. So I'll add the CSS file in HTML. Make sure the CSS file be the last link in head tag. Now I open style.css file. I reset the default margin and padding to 0 for all elements. Also box sizing to border box. I'll set font family for our project. Poppins and serif. As you see, the menu top is at the top and the menu bottom is at the bottom. So I use flexbox to put a space between menu top and menu bottom. So for navbar tag, I set display flex, flex direction, column, justify content, space between. It doesn't work because there isn't enough height. So I'll set height 100 viewport height. As you see, the menu top is at the top and menu button is at the bottom. Background color, color, I want the header be vertically aligned in the center. So I select nav tag and menu header class as selectors. display flex, align items, center, and I set padding 10 pixel for top, 0 for right, 5 pixel for bottom, and 20 pixel for left. I changed the font size of the logo. So I use span with logo class as a selector. Font size 24 pixel, font width 800. We need padding top for our list. So nav ul padding top 25 pixels. I need to set some styles for list items. So nav ulli list style noun border bottom 1 pixel solid and set color. I set some styles for icons and menu name. So nav ulli a display flex align items center text decoration none color fff padding 8 pixel 0 8 pixel 20 pixel and gap 25 pixels. As you see, there is a border on the top of the first item of the list. So I use pseudo class nth-child to select first item. Border top, copy and paste our border style. Now I will set a style for list items when they are hovered over. Nav ulli a hover pseudo class and set background color and color. It looks great. Also, I set a style for menu icon when it is hovered over. So nav menu header, span, and hover pseudo class. Color FFC107. It works. That's fine. Then I'll add a transition effect to the menu icon. So I set transition all 0.3 second. Now the hover is smooth. Also, I add a transition effect to the list items. Transition all 0.3 second. That's fine. It is a smoothie. I'll now add the cursor pointer for menu icon. So cursor pointer and set width for closed mode. So width 67 pixel. As you see, we have overflow. So overflow hidden. Now it's okay. Now I'll set width for opened mode. So body with open class, nav with 230 pixels. So if I go to the HTML file and set a class called open for body tag, the nav width changed to opened mode. We want this to happen automatically. It means that when the user clicks on the menu icon, the open class should be added to or removed from the body element dynamically. So for menu icon, I'm using the onClick attribute with a function named toggle sidebar. I create a script tag to write JavaScript code. I define a function called toggle sidebar. Document body refers to the body element. Class list allowing us to set classes. The toggle method adds or removes class from the body. Now I remove class of body. Let's to click on menu icon. It works. I'll show you how does it work. Right click on menu and select inspect. When I click on menu, open will add to body as a class and menu be opened. And when I click on menu to close it, open will remove from body. As you see, we need to add transition to navbar. Transition all 0.6 second. Now we have a smooth navbar. We can change tab title. So I go to HTML file and change the title content to dashboard menu. The menu sidebar is complete. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, improve your skills, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.